जय विजय एवरीवन। शुभं करोति कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपं ज्योति नमोस्तुते दीपं ज्योति नमोस्तुते दीपं ज्योति नमोस्तुते। इस श्लोक का अर्थ है, जो शुभ करता है, कल्याण करता है, आरोग्य रखता है, धन संपदा करता है और शत्रु बुद्धि का विनाश करता है, ऐसे दीप यानी दीपक की रोशनी को मैं नमन करता हूँ।
Hello children, I am here your EVS teacher and today we are going to learn exercises of SS chapter 4 and the name of the chapter is Chennai. So let's start with that. First exercise is progress milestone exercise. It's kind of true and false. First one is, earlier Chennai was known as Tamil Nadu. Earlier Chennai was known as Tamil Nadu. No, it's wrong. Earlier Chennai was known as Madras. So it is no. Second one, the British traders came to Chennai in 16th century. Yes, it is true. Third one, Tamil and English languages are spoken in Chennai. Yes, it is also true. Fourth one, Onam is an important harvest festival celebrated in Chennai. No, it is wrong. Now question A, MCQ, multiple choice question. First one, the fourth largest city in India is. The fourth largest city in India is. Answer is C, Chennai. Second one, Chennai faces the. Answer is B, Bay of Bengal. Third one, Chennai is famous for its dash industry. Chennai is famous for its textile industry. Chennai is famous for its textile industries, cloth market. Okay. Next, fourth one, an important harvest festival celebrated in Chennai is. Answer is C, Pongal. Fifth one, Chennai is the capital of. Answer is B, Tamil Nadu. Question B, fill in the blanks. Chennai receives rainfall in dash. Answer is winters. Second one, dash is an important means of transport in Chennai. Answer is Maxicab. Third one, dash is popular dance form in Chennai. Chennai ka popular dance form is Bharatnatyam. Fourth one, the most popular beach of Chennai is dash beach. It is Marina Beach. It is Marina Beach. Fifth one, Chennai is the paradise for dash. Chennai is paradise for shoppers. Next is matching exercise. Match the columns. First one, Portuguese matches with C, came to Chennai in 16th century. Second one, Tamil and English. Answer is D, main language is spoken. Third one, rice. Answer is B, staple food. Fourth one, religious centers. Answer is E, are known as Gopurams. Fifth one, Kishkinda. Answer is A, amusement park. Now question B, answer the following. First one, from where does Chennai get its water supply? It means which institute, which company supplies water to Chennai? Answer is Chennai gets its water supply from Chennai Metropolitan Water Supply. Chennai Metropolitan Water Supply. Second one, what are the main religions followed in Chennai? Answer is the main religions followed in Chennai are Hinduism, Islam and Christianity. Hinduism, Islam and Christianity. Question 3. Write down the names of. First one, famous beaches. Answer is Marina Beach and VGP Golden Beach. Second one, famous amusement parks. Answer is Dash and Splash and Dolphin City. Famous shopping malls. Answer is Spencer Plaza and Foundation Plaza. Now question 4. Describe in brief the location and climate of Chennai. Answer. Location is Chennai is located on the Coromandel coast along the Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal के साथ जो कोरोमंडल कोस्ट जे किनारा कोरोमंडल किनारा वहां पर चेन्नई लोकेटेड है. क्लाइमेट. द क्लाइमेट ऑफ चेन्नई इज वार्म एंड ह्यूमिड. इट इज वेरी ह्यूमिड ड्यूरिंग समर मंथ्स एंड रिसीव्स हैवी रेनफॉल इन विंटर. चेन्नई का जो क्लाइमेट है वो वार्म एंड ह्यूमिड रहता है. वो समर में बहुत ज्यादा ह्यूमिड रहता है और बहुत ज्यादा बारिश होती है वहां पर मॉनसून में, विंटर में. नॉट इन मॉनसून, इट्स विंटर. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन 5. राइट अ शॉर्ट नोट ऑन फॉलोइंग. फर्स्ट वन, बीचेस ऑफ चेन्नई. Beaches are the main tourist attraction of Chennai. Marina Beach is the most popular beach in the region. The VGP Golden Beach is popular for its rides and toy train. Elliot and Kowloon beaches are other famous beaches of Chennai. So this is all about beach. बहुत सारे beach है चेन्नई में and they are very beautiful. Okay. Then second one is government of Chennai. Being the capital of Tamil Nadu, it has all the important government offices. The governor, the chief minister and other ministers and the government officials live in this city. Answer C. Festivals celebrated in Chennai. Pongal, Diwali, Christmas and Eid are important festivals celebrated in Chennai. So this is all about beaches, government offices and festivals. Now question 6. What is the main economy and transport services of Chennai? Answer is textile industries, automobile industries, software services, hardware manufacturing are the main center of economy in Chennai. These are the main businesses. Okay, textile, automobile, software, hardware manufacturing, all these are main businesses of Chennai. The bus service is provided by the government. Maxicab is also a popular means of transport. So this is all about economy and transport of Chennai. So here we end up with all the exercises of this chapter. Again we will meet with some new learning. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day, kids. Thank you and bye-bye.